Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, woodworking with an Appalachian flair.
This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop with another shop tip. When you get ready to turn something on a lathe, I turn a lot of legs for my furniture. What I always do is use a little gimbal to make an indentation. And then I use an 1/8 inch drill bit to drill a hole. And then I'll take my spur, stick in there, and drive it with a wooden mallet. Never ever use a metal hammer. Always use wood. If you use metal, it will mushroom over the end of this, and then it won't fit in your lathe. Then put it in, and then this end, I've already done it. It's the same way. Lock it in place. Now I'm ready to turn. So this is Jerill with another shop tip reminding you, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.